Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to bring you today's workout because it's all about quick, efficient weight loss. If you're looking for a way to burn fat fast, especially in the morning, these 7 exercises are perfect. You don't need any equipment, just a bit of space and your body. So let's not waste any time. Grab some water, get ready, and let's jump right in. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. We're starting off with the classic, jumping jacks. This exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and burning calories. It's a full body move that will wake up your muscles and get you energized for the day. Let's do this for 30 seconds. Keep going, you're doing great. Exercise 2, high knees. Next, we're moving on to high knees. This one's a killer for burning fat because it really works your core while keeping the cardio going. Try to get those knees up as high as you can. Let's go for another 30 seconds. Exercise 3, squats. Now, let's switch gears with some squats. Squats are amazing for building strength in your legs and burning a ton of calories. Make sure to keep your chest up and your core tight. Push through those heels and squeeze your glutes at the top. You've got this. Exercise 4, mountain climbers. All right, we're picking up the pace again with mountain climbers. This is a fantastic cardio move that also works your arms and core. Stay strong, keep those knees driving towards your chest. You're halfway through the workout, so keep pushing. Exercise 5, burpees. Time to crank up the intensity with burpees. I know they're tough, but they're one of the best exercises for weight loss. You'll be working every muscle group here, and you'll definitely feel that heart rate going up. Stay with me, just 30 seconds of burpees. Exercise 6, plank to knee taps. Next, we're heading down to the mat for plank to knee taps. This exercise is all about core stability while adding some movement to challenge your balance. Focus on keeping your back straight and tapping those knees without dropping your hips. Keep pushing, you're almost there. Exercise 7, bicycle crunches. Last but not least, let's finish with some bicycle crunches. This is an awesome move for toning your abs while burning fat. Really twist through the core and extend your legs to get the most out of this exercise. You're almost at the finish line, so give it everything you've got. And there you go. You've just completed 7 powerful morning exercises that will help you lose weight fast and get your body moving in the right direction. Great job for sticking through this workout. Remember, consistency is key, so try to add this routine into your mornings a few times a week for the best results. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more health and fitness content, and comment below to let me know how you felt after this workout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep crushing your goals.